Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever used your phone today? Checked social media? Logged into your bank app? Bought something online? If you answered yes to any of those, then cybersecurity already affects you, whether you realize it or not. And here's the important part. Cybersecurity is not just for hackers or IT experts. It's for students, parents, office workers, and anyone living in a digital world. In this video, I'm going to explain what cybersecurity really is and why it matters, even if you have zero technical background. So stay with me. So what is cybersecurity? In simple terms, cybersecurity is about protecting your digital life. That's it. Think of it like this. Your house has doors, locks, and windows. Cybersecurity is the locks, alarms, and habits that protect your digital house. Your digital house includes your phone, your laptop, your email, your social media accounts, and your bank details. If you wash your hands to avoid getting sick, that's hygiene. If you lock your door, that's safety. Cybersecurity is digital hygiene and digital safety. Pause and think for a second. How much of your life is online right now?
Let's make this real. Cybersecurity isn't abstract. It shows up in your daily routine. Your phone holds photos, messages, and banking apps. If someone gets access, they don't just see a screen, they access your life. Social media. If hackers take over, they can impersonate you, scam friends, and damage your reputation. Banking relies on trust. Cybersecurity keeps your money yours and your card details private. Emails are where scams start. One click can mean the difference between safety and losing your accounts. This is why it matters, not because of hackers, but because we live online. Common threats. Phishing is when someone pretends to be your bank or says your account is locked. Their goal? To steal your personal information and hard-earned money. Scams are designed to trick you. They play on fear, urgency, and excitement. If something rushes you, pause. Then there's malware. Harmful software like a digital virus you can't see, but it causes real damage. Data breaches happen when companies lose control of your info. That's when you hear, your data may have been exposed. But here's the truth. Most threats don't start with code. They start with people being tricked. It's called social engineering. It's simply tricking people into making mistakes, because humans are easier to hack than systems, like clicking a suspicious link, reusing passwords, or trusting a message too quickly. Who needs cybersecurity? Everyone. Students, workers, hospitals, governments, it's not optional anymore. Cybersecurity is about being aware. Comment below. Have you ever received a suspicious message?
Let's clear up some myths. Cybersecurity is not hacking. It's not illegal. It's not just coding. And you don't need to be a genius. Cybersecurity includes awareness, policies, risk management, monitoring, and education. It's a team effort, not a solo hacker movie. Here are simple habits. Use strong, unique passwords. Keep devices updated. Be cautious with links. And pause before reacting. Cybersecurity isn't about perfection. It's about reducing risk. Quick overview of careers. SOC analyst monitors threats. GRC focuses on rules. Cloud security protects systems. And analysts investigate incidents. Good news. You don't need to start technical. Many people move into cybersecurity from business, healthcare, customer service, and law. Cybersecurity is growing fast because the world is more digital than ever. But here's the key takeaway. Cybersecurity is not about fear. It's about confidence. It's about understanding how to protect yourself. If this helped, like and comment what you learned. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly content. You don't need to be technical to be cyber aware.